All rise. Judge for the B court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1029, Autry case.
Thank you. You all may be seated. Mr. Autry?
Yes.
You brought this case before the court. What's going on? Well, you didn't bring this case before the court. She didn't show up. You were served to be here, looks like.
She knew what she had to do.
It looked like she wanted you to pay child support.
Things happen.
And you showed up today. I mean, typically the person who files it is the one that shows up to court. I appreciate you being here.
Okay.
Without her actually being here to say what her relief is,
This case takes an unexpected turn from your typical courtroom drama. A man shows up to court, ready to respond to child support claims, only to find that the person who filed the case is a no-show. No explanation, no phone call, not even a late appearance. Here's where it gets interesting. Without the petitioner present, the judge legally can't move forward with the case. So what does that mean for the father? Is he in the clear? Or is this just a pause before the real battle begins? And the bigger question, why go through the trouble of filing a case only to disappear when it counts the most? We're breaking down what this means legally, how it affects both sides emotionally, and the real-world impact of staying silent in court. Because sometimes, doing nothing changes everything.
Okay.
does that make sense?
Pretty much.
You understand what I'm saying, right?
Not really.
In other words, the person who files the case, they're the petitioner. They're asking the court to do something against the person who they're filing a case against, which that would be you, the respondent.
Okay.
In order for the judge to grant any type of request that the petitioner may have made, they would have to be here to present their case. And it doesn't look like you filed anything today, you just showed up. So, I mean, unfortunately, I can't move forward with whatever it looked like she was wanting to put you on child support, so it doesn't look like you'll get.
This is where courtroom procedure takes control. The judge isn't acting on personal feelings. She's simply following the law. When someone files a case, it's their responsibility to show up and present their side. If they don't appear, the court can't make a ruling. That's it, no exceptions. It might feel unfair, especially to the person who took time to show up, but this rule exists for a reason. Due process ensures that both parties have a chance to be heard. If courts started making decisions without input from both sides, it would open the door to serious misuse of the system. This isn't just a minor detail. It's a core part of what keeps the justice system fair.
Today. Now you can't be served at a later date and come back and be placed on child support, but for whatever reason, she didn't want to put you on child support today.
Just got to make sure I got a job, huh?
And bring documents next time you get served.
And what documents are those?
Like financial documents. Because
Check stubs?
Check stubs, your W-2, if you have 1099s, anything like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay?
All right.
You have any other questions?
I'm free to go?
You are free to go. You are dismissed.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
That moment changes everything. The judge clearly states that the man won't be placed on child support today. But don't take this as a victory. This isn't a decision. It's just a postponement. If the petitioner comes back and files the case correctly, he'll be right back in court. And next time, it won't be as simple. The judge even gives a warning. Show up prepared. Bring your financial documents, W-2s, 1099s, anything that proves your income, because when that day comes, those numbers could determine what happens next. The real question now is, will he be ready when it counts?
Oh, you too. I just wanted to go over what you all witnessed in the Autry case. So in this particular case, mom was the petitioner, dad was the respondent. Dad showed up for court, mom did not. Well, what is so interesting about that? The petitioner is the person that actually files with the court who is seeking some sort of relief. Absent the respondent filing anything in court, There's nothing that the court can do in proceeding on the petitioner's case. Therefore, mom's case.
This case may seem like a routine legal hiccup, but there's a deeper lesson beneath the surface. Filing a case isn't the same as winning one. The court won't chase you down to prove your point. If you bring a claim, it's your responsibility to show up and argue it. If you don't, the case ends then and there. That's exactly what happened here. It's a powerful reminder of how much the legal system values participation. It's not just about submitting paperwork. It's about being present. When someone goes the process, even the most valid case can fall apart. It also raises an important question. Should people face consequences for wasting court time like this? Or is simply having the case dismissed enough? If you were the judge and the petitioner didn't show up, what would you do? In this case, the outcome was clear. The father showed up. The mother, the one who filed the case, didn't. With no petitioner present, the judge had no choice but to dismiss. It wasn't personal. It was procedure. The law requires both parties to participate, and when one doesn't, the court can't proceed. The takeaway is simple but serious. Showing up matters. Filing the paperwork is only the beginning. If you don't follow through with your presence, your case has nothing to stand on. If this outcome surprised you, you're not alone. These kind of courtroom moments show how quickly things can shift when one side checks out. For more cases that defy expectations, reveal legal strategy, and deliver raw, real-world justice, be sure to like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe. You won't want to miss what's next.